A black hole is a region in space with an extremely strong gravitational pull that nothing, not even light, can escape from within a certain boundary called the event horizon. It is formed when a massive star collapses under its own gravitational force, resulting in a point of infinite density known as a singularity. Here are some key characteristics and concepts related to black holes. Event horizon. The event horizon is the boundary around a black hole beyond which no light or information can escape. It marks the point of no return, and once an object crosses the event horizon, it is inevitably drawn toward the singularity. Singularity. At the center of a black hole lies a singularity, a point of infinite density where gravity becomes infinitely strong. It is a location where the laws of physics, as currently understood, break down. Gravitational pull. Black holes have an incredibly strong gravitational pull due to their immense mass and compact size.
This gravitational force affects the surrounding space, distorting and bending light and objects that come near it. Types of black holes. Black holes are classified into different types based on their mass. Stellar black holes. These are formed from the gravitational collapse of massive stars. They have a mass several times that of our Sun. B. Intermediate mass black holes. These have a mass between that of stellar black holes and supermassive black holes, ranging from thousands to millions of solar masses. C. Supermassive black holes. These are found at the centers of galaxies and have masses ranging from millions to billions of times that of our Sun. The origin of these black holes is still a topic of ongoing research. Effects on surrounding space. The extreme gravity of a black hole can have various effects on its surroundings. Gravitational lensing. Black holes can bend light around them, causing objects behind them to appear distorted or magnified. B. Accretion disk. When matter falls into a black hole, it forms an accretion disk, a swirling disk of gas and dust that heats up and emits intense radiation before entering the event horizon. C. Jet formation. Some black holes have powerful jets of particles that are accelerated to nearly the speed of light and ejected into space. The study of black holes has significant implications for understanding the fundamental laws of physics, space-time, and the nature of the universe. Scientists continue to research and investigate these mysterious cosmic objects using various techniques, including observations of their effects on surrounding matter and gravitational waves.